This is a Jets GPS Fleet Solutions client tutorial on how to manually remove the solid state drive from your DVR recorder if you need to view footage for a longer period of time than you can pull off the mobile network. So there's a few things you'll need. You'll need to get access to the DVR, which is going to be in the vehicle. You'll need the DVR key. We leave one of these for each DVR. You'll need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need a USB to SATA lead. I got this one off Amazon, I think it was, for about £6. So they're not an expensive bit of kit, but you are going to need that to connect it to your PC. So the first thing that you do, if you have a look at the DVR slot, you've got a lock. You turn that to unlock it, and there's a little slot there that you lift up. That gives you access to, you've got the SIM card slot there, and here you've got the solid state drive, which you need to use your Phillips screwdriver to just undo. Once it gets loose, you can see that you can remove the solid state drive, and what you're then going to do is connect that to your SATA lead, which isn't easy to do when you're doing it upside down. There you go. And all I do there is connect the USB to a PC, and you run the software, which you can download off our website, and the next video will be once you've removed it and plugged it in, how you pull the footage off there. That's Jets GPS Fleet Solutions client tutorial on manually accessing the solid state drive of your DVR.